Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to draw square in Scratch. So let's start. First we will delete this sprite and add new sprite from the sprite list, pencil. So when flag is clicked, we will add pen extension here. So pen up, set pen color, set pen size to 5, then pen down. Now we will move this pen to 100 steps. Then wait for a second and then turn this pencil to 90 degree. Let's check. See. Now square has 4 sides, so we will repeat this 4 times. Now let's check. So friends, in this way we can draw a square in Scratch. At the end you can also erase all. So thank you guys for watching video. Thank you. Bye bye.